Welcome back to Onyango Atieno and Company Advocates, where justice is delivered differently. This is part 2 of the contents of an agreement for sale or a contract for sale of land in Kenya. As we agreed in our previous video, the law allows you to put anything in your contract as long as it's legal and you have capacity to do so. Let's begin with an important clause, which is the payment of the purchase price. The buyer and the seller ought to agree how they want this money to be paid. It can be paid in installments, it can be paid as a lump sum, and it can also be financed. As practitioners, however, we encourage that a deposit is paid. Usually 10% of the purchase price is paid at the point of executing of the contract, and then the balance of the purchase price is paid at the point of completion. What do I mean by the purchase price being financed? It's the mwenye ananunua shamba anaweza sema ukweli sina pesa ya kununua hii shamba, lakini naweza enda kwa bank wanipe pesa ya kununua hii shamba. So what that means is they will go with the sale agreement to the bank and ask the bank to give them financing to purchase the property, and the bank, having looked at the property, having done their own due diligence, may agree to give the said financing to the purchaser, and when they agree, they will charge the property, and the money, the loan that is given to purchase the property will go directly to the bank of the seller. Another important clause is vacant possession. I mean that kwa hii shamba unaweza kuwa uko na mimea, unaweza kuwa uko na a small structure where mwenye alikuwa analinda mimea zako alikuwa anaishi. Unaweza amua kuuza shamba ikiwa na hizo vitu zote, ama unaweza amua hii shamba hata kama nauza hizi mimea kwanza nataka zitolewe ndio ninunue shamba, and you can agree who will pay the cost of doing what and doing what. You can also say this structure enye iko hapo nataka ibomolewe, lakini mnipe mabati zangu na mbao zangu. The law allows you to contract on anything. Another important clause is the warranties clause. These are the things that the buyer is telling the seller so that the seller can have comfort in purchasing this property. Buyer anaweza kuwa anasema hii shamba ni yangu, one, hii shamba hakuna mtu mwingine amelipia kuichukua, hii shamba pia serikali haitaki, meaning the government does not own this property or have not come to lay claim on this property. Hii shamba pia haina disputes za boundary, meaning